Welcome to the channel of Dr. Robert Clark, where we uncover the scientific secrets to maintaining eternal youth and vibrant health. Did you know that aging is not just about genetics, but largely determined by specific daily habits you might ignore? Collagen is the structural scaffolding of your skin, keeping it firm, plump, and resilient against the relentless pull of gravity. However, unseen forces in our daily routine are constantly attacking these fibers, leading to premature sagging and deep, permanent wrinkles. Today, we will identify 7 common collagen thieves and reveal natural strategies to boost your collagen density by up to 40%. By making small adjustments to how you eat, sleep, and move, you can effectively turn back the biological clock of aging. We often blame our genes for how we look, but lifestyle choices are the true architects of our long-term facial structure. Imagine if you could stop the loss of collagen and even stimulate your body to produce more of this vital protein. This is not fantasy. It is grounded in dermatology and nutritional science that we will explore together in this detailed guide. Let us begin with the first hidden enemy, a small plastic tool that creates permanent lines around your delicate mouth area. The first habit involves how you drink your beverages, specifically the frequent use of straws for iced coffee or smoothies. When you sip through a straw, you engage the orbicularis oris muscle in a repetitive, tight contracting motion called pursing. Think of your skin like a piece of paper. If you fold it in the same place repeatedly, the crease becomes permanent. Dermatologists often call these smoker's lines, but they can appear in non-smokers who simply use straws on a daily basis. This mechanical stress breaks down collagen faster than your body can repair it, etching deep vertical lines above your upper lip. The simple solution is to discard the straw and drink directly from the glass to keep your facial muscles relaxed. If you are worried about staining your teeth, try to drink quickly or rinse your mouth with water immediately after finishing. Switching to wide-mouthed water bottles is another excellent strategy to maintain hydration without sacrificing the smoothness of your perioral area. This small change requires zero cost, but saves you from expensive treatments to fix deep lip lines in the future. Preserving the collagen around your mouth is essential for a youthful smile and maintaining the overall structural integrity of your face. Now let us move to the second habit, which involves a misunderstanding about diet that might be starving your skin cells. For decades, we were told to avoid fats to stay healthy, but cutting out healthy fats is disastrous for skin. Your skin relies on a robust lipid barrier to retain moisture, protect against bacteria, and maintain a soft, supple texture. Without adequate dietary fat, this barrier compromises, leading to chronic dryness, inflammation, and an accelerated breakdown of your precious collagen. You must incorporate high-quality healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados and nuts are also excellent sources of essential fatty acids that serve as the building blocks for healthy cell membranes. These fats act as an internal moisturizer, plumping your skin from within and creating a smooth surface that reflects light beautifully. A diet lacking in healthy fats often results in a dull, gray complexion, while good fats impart a natural, healthy glow. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3s that fight inflammation, which is a primary cause of collagen degradation in aging skin. Treat your diet as your skincare routine. What you put inside your body is far more potent than expensive topical creams. Studies show that consistent intake of healthy fats can significantly improve skin elasticity and hydration levels in just a few weeks. Next, we address an environmental factor that is responsible for up to 80% of visible facial aging signs. Ultraviolet radiation is the arch-enemy of collagen, triggering enzymes that actively eat away at the structural proteins in your skin. These enzymes, called collagenases, remain active for hours after sun exposure, continuing their destruction long after you have gone indoors. Do not be fooled by cloudy days. UVA rays can penetrate clouds and glass, reaching deep into the dermis to destroy collagen. The habit of wearing a broad-brimmed hat whenever you are outside provides a physical barrier that sunscreen alone cannot match. While sunscreen is important, a hat offers consistent shade, preventing the heat buildup that can also trigger inflammation and pigmentation. Pairing your hat with large sunglasses protects the thin skin around your eyes, preventing crow's feet and squinting-induced wrinkles. Notice how the skin on areas rarely exposed to the sun remains smooth and unblemished compared to your face and hands. Make the hat a signature part of your style. It is the single most effective anti-aging tool you can buy. By blocking UV rays physically, you stop the production of collagen-eating enzymes before they can even begin their destructive work. Our fourth habit involves the timing of your meals, a factor that influences your body's ability to repair itself overnight. Eating late at night forces your body to focus energy on digestion rather than the crucial restoration processes that occur during sleep. When your system is burdened with digestion, it cannot effectively perform autophagy, the cellular cleanup process that removes damaged components. Autophagy is your body's internal recycling program, clearing out old, dysfunctional proteins to make room for fresh, healthy collagen. By finishing your last meal by 6 p.m., you give your body a 12-hour window to focus entirely on rejuvenation. An empty stomach at night also triggers a spike in human growth hormone, which is essential for thickening skin and building muscle. Late eating disrupts deep sleep cycles, robbing you of the regenerative delta waves where the most potent anti-aging magic happens. Keeping insulin levels low before bed prevents the glycation process, where sugar molecules bind to collagen and make it brittle. Glycation is a major cause of sagging. Preventing it by eating early is one of the best things for your skin. You will notice that you wake up with less facial puffiness and a more defined jawline when you adhere to this schedule. Try to make your evening meal the lightest of the day, focusing on proteins and vegetables rather than heavy carbohydrates. Aligning your eating patterns with your circadian rhythm creates a harmony that reflects outwardly as clear, radiant, and youthful skin. Now let us discuss a physical habit that can manually stimulate the production of collagen through mechanical signaling. As we age, microcirculation in the face decreases, meaning fewer nutrients and less oxygen reach the skin cells responsible for collagen. Daily facial massage increases blood flow, delivering a fresh supply of oxygen and vital nutrients directly to the fibroblasts. Fibroblasts are the cells that produce collagen. They respond to mechanical pressure by increasing their metabolic activity and output. However, technique is crucial. You must use a facial oil to provide slip and never drag the skin downwards. Always work against gravity, moving from the center of the face outwards and upwards to lift the facial muscles. This practice also promotes lymphatic drainage, removing metabolic waste products that can accumulate and make the skin look tired. Dedicate just 5 minutes every evening to this ritual. It is a workout for your face that keeps tissues toned. Just like your body needs exercise to stay firm, your facial muscles require stimulation to maintain their volume and support. The immediate result is a healthy glow, but the long-term benefit is a thicker, more resilient dermis layer. Moving on to the sixth habit, we look at a common mistake people make when eating citrus fruits like oranges. Most people meticulously peel away the white spongy part, known as the pith, believing it to be bitter and useless. However, that white pith is a goldmine of bioflavonoids, which are essential for the absorption and stability of vitamin C. Vitamin C is the primary fuel for collagen synthesis, but without bioflavonoids, your body cannot utilize it efficiently. These compounds also strengthen the walls of your capillaries, preventing the spider veins that often appear on aging skin. Train your palate to enjoy the slightly bitter taste of the pith. It is the taste of potent anti-aging medicine. Eating the pith also adds significant fiber, which regulates blood sugar spikes that could otherwise lead to collagen glycation. This applies to all citrus fruits. Lemons, grapefruits, and mandarins all hold their most powerful secrets in the white layer. By consuming the whole fruit, you provide your body with the complete package required to build strong, youthful skin structures. If you find the texture unpleasant, Try blending the whole peeled fruit into a smoothie to get all the benefits. Finally, we arrive at the seventh habit, which concerns the posture of your face while you are resting or working. Many of us unconsciously hold a negative facial posture, with mouth corners turned down, often called resting sad face. Gravity is constantly pulling your face down. If your muscles are passive or frowning, you accelerate this downward migration. This habit contributes significantly to the formation of marionette lines and the jowls that blur your jawline definition. The solution is to practice a slight, subtle smile, engaging your cheek muscles just enough to lift the face against gravity. Think of this as core strength for your face, a low-level engagement that keeps everything positioned high and tight. Practice this Mona Lisa smile while driving, working, or watching TV until it becomes your new natural resting position. This not only lifts your face physically, but also sends positive biofeedback to your brain, lowering stress hormones that destroy collagen. Lower cortisol levels mean less inflammation and better preservation of the collagen bank you currently possess. Over decades, this habit creates a face that defies gravity, preserving a youthful triangle shape rather than an inverted one. These 7 habits, when combined, create a powerful synergy that protects your collagen from mechanical, chemical, and environmental damage. You do not need invasive surgeries or miracle creams to maintain your youth. You simply need conscious, consistent lifestyle changes. Stop looking for the answer in a jar and start looking at your daily routine, where the real aging happens. Commit to these changes for just 30 days, and you will see a transformation in your skin's texture and firmness. Your skin is a forgiving organ. It wants to repair itself, and these habits give it the permission to do so. Reclaim control over your aging process and embrace a future where you look as vibrant and energetic as you feel. If you found this scientific guide helpful, please like this video and share it with someone you care about deeply. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based strategies to optimize your health and longevity. Thank you for watching and investing your time in your health today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. As a bonus tip, remember that hydration is not just about water quantity, but also about mineral balance and absorption. Adding a tiny pinch of natural sea salt to your water can help your cells absorb hydration more effectively. Properly hydrated cells are plump and resistant to wrinkling, whereas dehydrated cells collapse and show every fine line. Start your day with a glass of mineral-rich water to jumpstart your metabolism and hydrate your skin from the inside out. Another factor to consider is your sleep position. Pressing your face into a pillow for 8 hours causes sleep wrinkles. Over time, these sleep lines can become permanent, etching patterns into your face that mimic the folds of your pillow. Training yourself to sleep on your back is ideal, but using a silk pillowcase can also minimize friction and damage. Ensure your room is pitch black to maximize melatonin production, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin's DNA. Regular moderate exercise is also a secret weapon, flushing blood through your skin and carrying away cellular waste products. Sweating acts as a mini facial, purging impurities from your pores and leaving your skin with a natural, healthy flush. Just remember to cleanse your skin gently immediately after working out to prevent sweat from clogging your pores. We touched on stress earlier, but actively managing your stress levels through breathing or meditation is non-negotiable for anti-aging. Chronic stress puts your body in a constant state of inflammation, which rapidly degrades collagen and elastin fibers. Find what calms you down and make it a daily priority. Your skin is a direct reflection of your inner peace. We must revisit the topic of sugar. It is arguably the single most damaging ingredient for collagen in the modern diet. Sugar causes cross-linking of collagen fibers, making them stiff and unable to repair themselves, leading to premature aging. Satisfy your sweet tooth with antioxidant-rich berries or dark chocolate, which actually provide benefits for your skin. It is the accumulation of these positive choices that builds a foundation for lasting beauty and structural health. Reverse aging is not about looking like a teenager. It is about looking the absolute best version of yourself at any age. Beauty is vitality, energy, and health shining through your skin, and that is something you can cultivate at any stage. Do not wait for a special occasion to start taking care of yourself. The best time to plant the tree was yesterday. Write down these habits and track your progress. Seeing your consistency on paper can be a huge motivator. Be patient with yourself. Collagen takes time to rebuild, and skin cycles take about 28 days to renew. Like a garden, your skin needs time, nourishment, and protection to flourish, but the results are well worth the wait. A common question I get is about supplements. While they can help, they cannot undo the damage of bad daily habits. Prioritize getting your nutrients from whole foods first, as the synergistic effect of food compounds is always superior to isolated pills. Most patients report feeling better within days, but visible structural changes in the skin usually become apparent after 3 months. The first sign will be a new radiance and better hydration, followed by a gradual firming of the jawline and cheeks. If you feel overwhelmed, just pick 2 habits to start with, perhaps the hat and the early dinner, and build from there. Small sustainable changes are always better than a radical overhaul that you abandon after only a single week. Join our community in the comments section and let us know which of these habits you find the most challenging. I personally read your comments and love hearing your success stories and answering your questions about skin health. In our next video, we will be diving deep into the hormonal connection to hair loss and how to reverse it naturally. Make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell turned on so you do not miss that important upcoming guide. Remember that health is a lifelong journey, and every positive step you take today is a deposit in your future. By taking care of yourself, you also inspire those around you to value their health and make better choices. Nature has provided us with everything we need to heal and thrive. We just need to align ourselves with its laws. I want to express my deepest gratitude to my research team and to you, our loyal viewers, for making this channel possible. Please remember that this video is for educational purposes. Always consult with your healthcare provider for specific medical advice. We have listed the scientific studies and references used in this video in the description box below for your review. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep asking the questions that lead to a better, more vibrant life for us all. This has been Dr. Robert Clark, wishing you radiant health and a beautiful day ahead. See you in the next one. Click on one of the videos on the screen now to continue your journey to optimal health and anti-aging mastery.